Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get the video started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In this video, we're showing you right there underneath the dash how to replace your blower motor resistor on a Chevy Silverado. It's located right underneath the glove box. Show y'all here. Straight underneath right there. The white and black pigtail harness. And there's two plugs that go to it. There is two bolts that hold it on, and they're 7/32. Some vehicles, if it's been replaced before, the aftermarket bolts could be like a 1/4 inch. There's two of them. There's one right there and one right there. Just remove those and it drops down out. Give me 1 second here. Alright, guys, there's the old one. We pulled it down, we undid the screws. They're just hanging down. Here's the brand new one we got right here in the box. Show y'all. Yeah, there's the part number. And like I said, this is the brand new one we got. Because this blower motor, it quit working on speeds 4 and 5. It'll work on 1 through 3, but it'll work on, it won't work on 4 and 5. Like I said, and here's the little blower motor resistor paper. That's just generic, that shows you, how it's done. Well, now we're going to unplug the plugs from the old one and plug it into the the new one right here. So give us 1 second, guys. All right, guys, there's the old one right there, and you do need a screwdriver to undo the plug. It just makes it easier to undo the clip. There's the old one right there, and here goes the new one hanging in place. We got it plugged in. Now we're just going to re-bolt it back in place. And there we go, guys. There's the old one, and there's the brand new one. Like I said, that's how to replace the blower motor resistor, and this is on a Chevy Silverado. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down in the corner. Also, give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and y'all have a great day.